Hey there, I'm Diganto, a WordPress developer. Today in this video, I'll show you how to activate Elementor Pro without having a product key, with just using a simple plugin. But make sure this process only for learning purpose or test your environment. So let's start here. As you can see, I am on my WordPress dashboard, and now I am going to plugin section. Click on installed plugins. As you can see, I have installed Elementor Pro from WordPress directory and Elementor Pro. It should show connect and activate. It's an official Elementor Pro plugin. Now let's create a page. I have created a page for testing Elementor. As you can see, all the pro features are locked for now. Now I am going to add a plugin to unlock all the pro features. Go back to the plugins and click on add new. Upload plugin, choose file, and installed Elementor Pro dev mode. Activate plugin. I have just installed this Elementor Pro dev mode plugin. I will give you the link to download Elementor Pro dev mode plugin and Elementor Pro official plugin. So you can just download them and install on your site. So after installing Elementor Pro dev mode, let's get back to the page and refresh the page. Boom, all the pro features unlocked. Now we can use all the pro features of Elementor. Again, make sure this process is only for learning purpose or make a test for your environment. Thank you for watching.